What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I have another product review. And this time, I'm bringing y'all a product from Strappino. And when Strappino reached out to me to try some of their products, it couldn't have came at a perfect time because I was actually thinking about changing the ratchet straps on my trailer. So what I have on my trailer right now is the ratchet straps that originally came with the Triton trailer. And I mean, we can do better than this. And when I say we can do better than this, I mean, these aren't retractable ratchet straps that automatically retract. Plus, they're starting to kind of like deteriorate because of the salt water. And sometimes they get jammed. When I mean they get jammed sometimes, I mean, look at this, right? See? It doesn't, okay, there you go. And then they don't retract on its own, look. So I have to go over here and, you know, put a timer on this. Oh my gosh. See what I mean? Gosh. So I'm ready to upgrade these. I'm gonna start off with these. These are gonna be some ones that you don't have to install onto the trailer. It comes with 2 S hooks. And these are the type of ratchet straps that you would be able to take on and off. You won't have to install these onto the trailer. That's why they came with a lovely carrying bag. Basically, these will never be in contact with the salt water or fresh water because you'll take these off before you launch your ski. Let's go ahead and remove these old ones. You're gonna need a ratchet driver and the certain size of socket depending on what you currently have or you don't currently have. You'll need a drill and everything like that. You'll need certain tools. So depending on your trailer, mine already has a tab at the bottom where you can attach an S hook and then it would connect right here. Now you would just go based on your trailer. Let me show you how these would attach. So all you would do with these is attach the S hook right here, pull on it, and hook right there. And then you would just ratchet it. Hold on to this and ratchet it. And there you go. They're on. So if you need to use them for other things or if you don't want to mount them on, this is a great option because you can still use these straps when you're not using your PWC trailer for other things. So let me show you guys what I mean when I say that they're automatic retracting. Okay? So I would just loosen this up, unhook the S hook, and look, there you go. No more fumbling around with ratchets. Like this past weekend I was just riding with some friends and they didn't have ratchet sets that mounted to the trailer. They had like traditional ones, old school ones where you still have to feed it through, mess with the lines and all that stuff. And they were busy untangling it and oh my gosh, if they had these, it would have made it a lot easier. Look at this. You don't even have to untangle it, or when you're done with it, you have to like put it all nicely. It's just throw it in the bag and you're good to go. So wasn't that quick and easy to use? You would just repeat it on the other side and you're ready to go. And if you want to know the pricing on these, prices change all the time, so I don't like to give pricing. And if you're interested in getting this type of ratchet set, I'll put the link to Amazon down below in the video description and you can get it next day. Alright, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you liked the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button because more product reviews will be coming your way. If you need other types of ratchet straps, go ahead and check their website out at strappino.com or on Amazon because They make so many different styles of ratchet straps, and I'm sure they'll have what you need. But until next time, see y'all on the